Hi, my name is George Nenni with Generations Digital, and welcome to our Google Analytics 4 training series designed specifically for car dealers. Today we're going to learn how to report on events in Google Analytics 4. As a reminder, events are nothing more than triggers on the website. So when you scroll on the page, or when you click to chat, or when you fill out a lead form, behind the scenes there's events that fire in Google Analytics 4, and we want to pay attention to those events. We want to measure those events, especially the ones that represent strong customer interaction or lead conversion. So let's get started. We're going to dive right into the reports menu. On the left-hand navigation, we'll click on reports, and then we'll come down to the sub-menu for engagement, and then we'll choose events. Here we can get a list of all of our events. We can see for the last 28 days, all the events that are firing on the website. So as I mentioned, things like scrolling, things like clicking are events that are triggered on the website. You can see some of these start with ASC. Those are important events for car dealers because that's the Automotive Standards Council. The ASC events are standardized across all providers in automotive, and that makes it very convenient for a car dealer because when you switch from one website to another, or when you switch from one chat provider to another, you have very little work to do because all the events are named the exact same way. In addition, the real brilliance of the Automotive Standard Council events is that behind the scenes, the events can also carry 35 pieces of information in each event. And so you can pass very critical information through the event. For instance, if a conversion happens on a VDP, on a vehicle detail page, the form event, the ASC form submission event, will carry with it the VIN number, the stock number, the year, make, model, body style. Almost anything from that VDP can be carried through the event, and now we can really make our reporting much more robust. And so I'm going to reference a few of those as we go through here, and it'll make more sense. So we can see our events here. Let's just look at just our ASC events. So I'm going to type in here ASC, and I'm going to hit enter. That's going to give us just our ASC events, and we can see those. And if you get the ASC specification, the document, you can get a list of all these events and what they do. If we want to see our form submissions, let's just do ASC_form, and we'll hit enter. And there we can see our form submission, form engagement. Form engagement means that a form was presented to the shopper. Form submission means that form was completed. So in this case, it looks like roughly maybe a 30% form completion rate, which is not bad. I think normally the industry might say 20 to 25% form submission rate. So how do we see these parameters that I mentioned? How do we see these 35 pieces of data? All you have to do is just click on one of these events. And so we'll click on the ASC form submission, and we'll be able to see all the parameters that live inside this event. So as we scroll down, event category is a parameter. Item fuel type is a parameter. Okay. Item fuel type is the car gas, electric, diesel. As we come down here, item number is the stock number. Item type is the type of vehicle that it is. Item owner, so this is a Dealer Inspire website with Trade Pending as a plug-in trade tool, so they're firing those events, and you can see more and more events. One of the most interesting to me is item inventory date. Item inventory date, there we can see item model, but item inventory date is the first seen date of that vehicle in inventory. Can you imagine how much more powerful this makes your reporting to be able to say, instead of just show me how many lead forms I got last month, how many lead forms did I get on vehicles over 60 days, over 90 days, less than 30 days old, and so on. Now, if you don't see these parameters, if you don't see information here and you're getting worried, that means you don't have your custom dimensions set up. We go in the admin menu. I cover this in another video so you can get the instructions. From the admin menu, we come down here to custom definitions. We choose custom definitions, and then this custom dimensions, all these dimensions should be filled out. It should look just like this. If you get your website through Dealer eProcess or Dealer Inspire, they do this automatically for you. There's other agencies that will also do this for you automatically as a service. So you may start off by just asking your agency to say, I need my custom dimensions built out because otherwise I can't really, utilize the full power of the GA4 reporting because my events don't contain all this detail. So hopefully that made sense to you all. You can go back and review it if not, or send me a note. I'm glad to answer any questions you have. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about me and Generations Digital, you can go to our website, www.generationsdigital.com, and learn more. If you just want to learn more about Google Analytics 4, I've got a book on it on Amazon. You can go to Amazon and search for my name. You'll find my Automotive GA4 book. You'll also find my Automotive Google Business Profile book, and also my general purpose Automotive Digital Marketing book, all on Amazon. Just search for my name. Thank you again for joining. If you like the video, please like it, and please subscribe to the channel. That way when new videos come out, you'll be the first to know. But thank you again for watching. This is George Nenni signing off, and good luck.